Drop your bag for me, man. You got a warrant, man.
I do? Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
Lay the fuck down. Turn on to your stomach.
I got a warrant for real?
On your stomach, now.
Yeah. I got a warrant for real, man.
Dude, on your fucking stomach.
I got a warrant for real, sir.
I'm getting under town behind
Oh,
you.
can I ask
On
you
your stomach.
Man, what the fuck, man? Oh, man.
Other hand, man. Give me your other hand, man.
What's up? What that warrant for, sir?
Be still.
I'm not doing that, bro. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that, sir. Fuck, man.
Hey, slow everybody down, slow everybody down.
What's on the ground, sir? What the hell I got a warrant for?
2452 Marasco, you show one at custody.
Fuck, man. Fuck.
Stand up, bro.
Fuck.
Stand up, dog.
Yes, sir.
Get up.
You can help me too, sir. That's what I got a warrant for, man.
He asked me like 10 times.
Hey, here you go, here you go.
Good.
Here.
Here. Okay. He's known to carry one, man.